Mama Mira. Hi friends! What do you notice about myself today? What? I can't hear you! You're right! It's Lego time! And today, we're gonna build a house! And I'm your engineer, Mira! First, we're gonna build our foundation so that our house is strong and safe. And we're gonna use these bricks. And for the floors, we're gonna use these bricks. And for the walls, I'm gonna use these white bricks because white is cool. Our house is now taking shape. And now, we're gonna build our doors and windows. Is this cool enough? What? I can't hear you! Yeah! Let's build another floor to make it more cool. And for the roof, we're gonna use these blocks. And now, let's build the kitchen. A kitchen is where you cook food. Next, our bedrooms. A bedroom is a place where you sleep and rest. Next is the garden. It is a land where flowers and other plants are grown. Lastly is our living room. It is a place for entertainment. Honey, what are we doing here?
Oh, I have a surprise for you guys.
What is it, Papa?
Just wait and see. Surprise! This is our new home now.
Really, honey? Wow, I'm so excited to see what's inside.
Look, honey, our living room. I even bought you a sofa.
Yeah, and it's my favorite color, yellow. Oh, can I try it?
Sure. How is it, Your Highness?
Oh, I love it. I am so comfortable with this sofa.
But wait, there's more. We can even enjoy this beautiful garden through these big glass windows. Now, let's go upstairs. I have a surprise for you too, son.
Wow, my own bedroom. This is so cool. Woo, jumping on my own bed. Cool. Dad even put on a picture of my favorite animal, the great elephants of Africa. Mom, I'm hungry. Okay, son, just wait. I'll go cook our lunch now.
Son, let's go check out the garden while we wait for your mom.
Okay, Dad. This kitchen is so big and beautiful. All the things I need for cooking is here. Oh, I'm so happy. Bruno! Come on, boy, come on. Arf, 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 come on. Catch me, come on. Arf, arf, arf. Good boy, good boy. Arf, arf. Lunch is ready, guys. All right.
The food's delicious, hon.
Thank you, honey. It's so nice to sleep in a big and soft bed. Good night, honey.
Good night. Thank you, Engineer Mira, for building such an amazing home for my family.
Of course! Engineer Mira, at your service.